Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to Google AdSense. We will explore the distinct roles of each platform and how they can work together to enhance your online presence. You will learn the most effective strategies for integrating advertising into your e-commerce site, focusing on content monetization. This guide will help you understand the nuances of earning revenue through ads on your Shopify store's blog or content sections. Shopify provides a robust framework for selling products and services directly to customers, handling everything from inventory to payments. On the other hand, Google AdSense is designed for content creators to display relevant advertisements on their informational web pages, generating income from clicks or impressions. It is important to understand that AdSense is not typically for direct e-commerce product listings, but rather for engaging content. To effectively use AdSense with Shopify, focus on your store's blog. Develop compelling articles related to your products or industry, providing value to your audience. Once your blog content is established and attracting visitors, you can apply for an AdSense account. After approval, you will place the AdSense code into your Shopify blog's theme files, allowing ads to appear on your content pages. To maximize your AdSense earnings, consistently produce valuable blog content that resonates with your target audience. Aim for at least 500 words per article to provide substantial information. Monitor your ad performance and adjust placements for optimal results, ensuring ads do not detract from the user experience. Remember, while AdSense can supplement income, direct product sales remain your primary revenue stream on Shopify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.